Hello. Are you experiencing itchy scalp when wearing protective styles? Have you tried everything such as oils to your scalp when wearing these protective styles? Have you tried getting a warm rag and putting it on your scalp so that your scalp will just stop itching so you can wear this protective style? If your answer to all those questions is yes, I've tried all those things, well then maybe, just maybe, let's think about the braiding hair that you are using when creating these protective styles. Maybe it's the chemicals that is on the braiding hair. Suzie, you ask, do you have a solution to getting rid of the chemicals on the braiding hair? Let's see. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Suzie back again with another video. All right, so today's video is a little bit different. I honestly cannot take credit for this. I have a teacher that I've known since high school, so probably about, how long? 9 years? I think, yeah. Anyways, I've known her for a long time. She's basically like family, and she honestly is transitioning from relaxed hair to natural, and she wants to wear protective styles, but it itches her scalp really bad, and she just refused to wear it. So I'm just like, all right, cool, I won't bring it up again. So she comes to me and she says, well, my daughter told me that we can go ahead and take the braiding hair and put it into some vinegar, or you can use apple cider vinegar, and it will rinse away all those chemicals. And I'm like, what? I ain't never heard nothing like that. So I did some research, and I'm like, okay, cool. I seen probably like 2 videos that was really like highly recommending using apple cider vinegar. And I'm like, okay, cool. So if you're, say for instance, if you had dreadlocks and you have a lot of buildup in your dreadlocks, a lot of people do the ACV rinse, which is apple cider vinegar and baking soda, and some people use like lemon and salt, but you don't really need all that, but you can, and warm water, mix it all up, and it gets rid of the product out of the dreadlocks. And that's something you do probably like once a year, or you just, when you see that your hair is just like building up like a lot of that product, that's not something you do every single day. So I'm like, okay, this might work for the braiding hair, because the braiding hair, it has like, different colors, and it's just a lot of chemicals on there. So I'm like, all right, bet, I see how that can work. So this is my project. I'm gonna see how this works. That's it. So before we get into the video, go ahead and give this a thumbs up. Comment down below if you ever tried it or you're going to try it. But first and foremost, check out this recent video that I did of my hair. It's been about 3 weeks now that I had my hair like this. And I know I mentioned that I was going to show you guys what my hair looked like when I unraveled the twist. All of them are not fully unraveled, as you can see right here. And in the back, it's a complete mess. You don't want to see it, but I'm not ready to take it out yet. I know I need to take it out, but just let's get into the video. So here we have is our warm water and our apple cider vinegar just sitting over there chilling. And I just want to point out this inflatable tub that I got from Amazon, and I couldn't wait to get it because I'm like, this comes in handy when washing someone else's hair. Here is the Expression pre-stretched hair or any synthetic braiding hair that you come across. You want to go ahead and open up this pack of hair. As you can see, the hair is hooked on by a rubber band. You do not want to cut the rubber band. You want to be able to hang your hair to dry. So I definitely recommend keeping the rubber band on the hair. So carefully take the rubber band off the paper. You don't need that. Take that off. Now just slap that weave into the warm water that you prepared. Go ahead and take the apple cider vinegar. Like I said, you can also use white vinegar. So based on my research, they didn't necessarily say how much apple cider vinegar to put in there. So I just eyeballed it and just poured and just kept pouring and kept pouring and kept, okay, all right. The reason why I poured so much vinegar is because I know I was gonna add more hair. Each pack comes with 2. And I'm like, okay, I got 4 packs of hair, so that's 8. So I'm like, I need a lot of apple cider vinegar so that I can work it through. So right now I'm just pushing down the hair and making sure it's soaking up all of the water and just simply squeezing it a little bit, just trying to make it get rid of all of those chemicals that is causing your scalp to itch. Like, you can see the bubbles already coming up. You can see the water is turning a little bit white. After about 2 minutes of the hair soaking, you can see the bubbles, you can see the white stuff just coming up to the surface. And I actually researched what it is that is causing your scalp to itch, and it's something called alkaline coating. Am I saying it right? Comment down below and let me know. But that is what is causing your scalp to itch. This is what is common in braiding hair overall. I added the rest of the hair and I had to add more water. I actually let this water boil so that way it's, you know, it's just getting all of that coating out of the hair a lot faster. So you're gonna want to let your hair soak in the water for about 20 minutes or so. I had to keep pushing down the hair. It just kept floating. I wanted to make sure that it's soaking up all of the water, the apple cider vinegar. I just want to make sure it's getting rid of all of that chemical in the hair. But as you can see all that white stuff. Oh my goodness, I couldn't believe my eyes. Like, I'm picking up the hair like, this not real, this not real. But yeah, all that white stuff, all those bubbles, that is what is on the hair, and you want to be able to rinse all of that. I started out with a full bottle of apple cider vinegar. Like, this is ridiculous. You want to use your judgment. Don't pour the whole bottle. Of me, I'm just extra. I feel like if this is what you say can get rid of whatever chemical is on the hair, I'm going to pour and pour and pour. But make sure that it is more water than it is apple cider vinegar, and just don't do that. I actually forgot that the hair was still sitting in the water, but I didn't keep it in that long. It was probably like 30-35 minutes. But for right now, I'm just going to get ready to take out the hair. You can still see a little bit of the white stuff from the hair, but I'm going to get ready to take it out and just run my fingers through it, just comb through it, just like you would be washing your natural hair. You would just comb through it, make sure it's not all matted up, and then get ready to dry it. Another thing I like about this inflatable tub, it has a flap that you can just open up and just drain out the water. Now that all the water is drained out, I'm just gonna go ahead and start combing from the bottom going up. You can also use a paddle brush, which is also known as a weave brush. That will be a lot faster. I don't know why I used the comb, but I feel like with the comb you can just really get through all those knots. Now that the hair is all combed out, you want to get a hanger so that you can hang your hair to let it dry. This is why I said the rubber band is important. You want to be able to hang it on the hanger. So you're just going to get your rubber band, open it up, and hook it onto the hook of the hanger. You want to wrap it probably like 2 times so it doesn't fall off. So I decided to blow dry one section of the hair just so that you can see what it looks like as it dries. It's really no difference. It's just like how it was in the beginning. Only difference is there is no more alkaline coating on this synthetic hair. Here I was just trying to make sure that the hair blow dries really straight. I felt like the same method used to do a blowout is the same method I can use to blow out this weave. Alright, so I finished blow drying that portion of the hair, which is right here, and I really love how much lighter it is. I know that once you hot water your hair after a protective style and it basically loosens up the hair, it's not so thick and you could just whip it with no problem. So this is basically what it is right now. And you would think that how strong apple cider vinegar is and how strong white distilled vinegar is, you would think that the smell would linger on the hair. I mean, it's like I could smell it a little bit because I know that it's there, but if somebody was to smell it, you probably wouldn't be able to tell. You would just think it's the hair that came straight out of the package. So, I mean, I honestly recommend, you know, just rinsing the hair with some vinegar whenever you're getting ready to do a protective style so that you can avoid an itchy scalp and you can't really figure out where it's coming from. At least you know that it's not the hair because you rinsed it, and then just oil your scalp and boom, no more itchy scalp, girl. And you can get protective styles whenever, however you want it. Okay. I want to do a part 2 just to let you know how it went once I, you know, do her hair. And comment down below if you want a part 2, and I guess over the time how her hair is holding up. I mean, she is the type of person, like, if that bad boy itch, she gonna take it out. So I'll let you guys know, but just give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you like more videos like this, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for post notifications for whenever I upload a video. You'll be notified right away. That's it for today's video. Suzie is out of here. Bye. Love you guys.